reviews.
It's all of the good fats. So we're not using our traditional eggs in the mayo, which is very high in cholesterol. This is something that's, you're gonna give you those positive fats. So this is the Primal Kitchen Garlic Aioli Mayo. The thing I love about this is overall just a really delicious thing. And if you look at the ingredient list, this is probably my favorite part about it. If you see that, there's probably about 10 ingredients in there, which does not need to be more. Like this is really, a lot of times you'll get those brand and it's just a long list of ingredients that you can't even pronounce. This is something that you're gonna read and you're gonna be able to pronounce all of these because they're real ingredients. This isn't chemicals. This is garlic oil. This is avocados, salt, pepper, lemon juice. This is very down basic, real product, real food, which is what we wanna eat. So with this Primal Kitchen Garlic Aioli Mayo, you can use it as the base of a restaurant style aioli. So aioli is eggs, olive oil, garlic, lemon at its basic core. With this, you can use it as a base and say I wanna add jalapenos to this. Now I have like a restaurant jalapeno aioli. So it's these simple little techniques that this product allows you to use to take up your dish to the next level. This brand I've been using for 2 years, since I've been in LA. This has been a staple of mine. I use it for practically all my clients. Like even if a client doesn't necessarily have a dairy restriction or any lactose restriction, a lot of times they'll like me using this just because that they know that it's a product that's only gonna have real ingredients, that they're not having to worry about all the other things that come along with traditional mayos. It's practically at this point the same exact price as your traditional mayo, so it's like, why not just add this one to it and not be slowly just disintegrating your body realistically? Like we wanna heal the body, and this is the perfect product to do that for your home cook.